Okay, so for this problem, we are told the survey is conducted among 400 students of sophomores and juniors who participate in an after-school program. Here's your total, 400. And we are told that there are 220 sophomores, and we want to fill in this box before we answer part B, and we're going to use this to do so. Let's add these up really quick. We can see that 70 plus 250 plus 80 accounts for everybody, and these are all of the 400. So I know that going across, 220 plus what number is going to give us 400. So if I take 400 and I subtract 220, I end up with 180. This box should be 180. I'm going to draw a set here that represents here. This is 400, this is 220, and this is 180. Now it states that 40% of the students participating in athletics are juniors. So here's athletics. Let's figure out how many are actually there. So 70 plus 250, I can see there are 320 students that are in athletics. And we know of that, 40% of them are juniors. So take 40% times 320, and that is 128. So I have, this is sophomores, and this is juniors for a total. So as a total of juniors in the junior column, I'm going to go to in athletics, and in this position I'm going to write 128. 128 plus what number gives you 180? Subtract it from 180 to end up with 52. What else do we know here? Okay, let's see here. We know that in total, athletics has, in total athletics, this is athletics, and this is clubs. In total, we know that this adds up to 320. So athletics, I get to put 320 in this position. And if I take 128, subtract 320, I am left with 192, the 192 sophomores. Now 192 plus what number will give you 220? The answer is 28, and 28 plus 52 is 80. We can see that 80 and 320 is 400. That is part A to fill this out. Part B says, given that a student is a sophomore, so I'm only going to look in the sophomore section. That's all I look in. Given that they're a sophomore, what's the probability the student is also athletics? So athletics within this region is 192 over the total of 220. Please divide those two. And then it says, it doesn't say what to round to, does it? I have this as an answer, so if I was going to write it as a percentage, it'd be 87%. If I don't see a percent symbol here, I would put 0.87. 0.87 is how I'd write it if there's not a percentage symbol.